It's time for ED Mnangagwa to step down and hand over power to Chiwenga as the nation grapples with economic hardships, social unrest, and rising discontent among citizens. It has become increasingly clear that President Emmerson Mnangagwa's time in office is drawing to a close. At this juncture, many believe it is time for him to step down and transfer power to his deputy, Phoebe Kosano Chiwenga. Sana vena mazwi kabla nyiko panapa pamsoro ayo pekurizana kumtukamiro nyika wachinzi ayo ngaure pasi ibo subscribe or like or on the bell icon. It is important to recognize that a leadership transition will not be seamless. There will be undoubtedly be challenges, including resistance from factions within the party and expectations from the populace that reforms will manifest swiftly. However, if handled carefully, a transition led by Chiwenga could represent an opportunity for renewal and a break from the past mistakes. As the nation approaches the next election cycle, the call for President Mnangagwa to step down is growing louder. Protests demanding accountability and transparent government have erupted, and the youth, who constitute a significant portion of the electorate, are increasingly vocal about their desire to change. Failure to respond to these calls could further alienate the ruling party from very institutions it seeks to serve. It is time for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to hand over the reins of power to Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga. While challenging this transition could herald a new chapter for Zimbabwe, fostering political stability, restoring economic confidence, and reinvigorating governments that prioritizes the needs of the citizens. The path forward requires bold decisions, and leadership change may well be the first step towards a brighter future for Zimbabweans. Tomashkawia pana panashiti komenda pamsoro aiwa pekio zirikuitika munyika yeZimbabwe achiti aiwa panguva ino Zimbabwean leader aiwa ngachikusarenda kematombo navipi kusana uchunga noda kuti resistance ari kufesa aiwa yanyanyisa. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu udze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.